Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you guys saw from the title, so today I want to be showing you guys on how to trade boom and crash, right? So this is going to be the strategy that you can able to apply and make money from boom and crash, right? And stop waiting for those buy spikes and sell spikes. Be able to make money while it's going up and while it's going down, right? Okay, before I waste no time, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share your comments below, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, and please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get to it. So on this one, we are waiting for price. Okay, let's just first do our things. As you guys can see, right, price is currently at these lows here, right? So we don't have a clear direction of where we're going at the moment, but then on the overall structure, as we can see, it's bearish, right? As we can see, the market is bearish. We're coming from a downtrend, so the overall structure is bearish. So let's just remember that. Let's just put a note here. The overall structure is bearish, right? So now we know that boom always spikes the upside and then crash spikes to the downside, right? For those that don't know what's boom and crash, you will find this on derivative broker. I'm gonna put the link below if you like to trade with them, and then you can just go click and open an account, right? So boom normally spikes to the upside, and then crash normally spikes to the downside, right? So if I can go to the 1 minute time frame just to make this clear for those that don't know, you guys will see it, right? So yeah, this is how it looks, right? So this is boom. As you guys can see, it spikes to the upside, and then crash does the same to the downside. But I'm going to show you when I go to crash, but this is boom, right? So you'll get these nice spikes. If you get a buy, these nice spikes give you more profits, right? But then there's a tricky part to it, because traders just think they can just go and get those spikes, and it doesn't work like that. 24. Okay, let's go. There we go. Okay, so now let's continue with our tutorial. So if the market is bearish, what do you do, right? What do you do? And then when you get to this point, you start seeing this rise happening, right? But then the market is bearish. So here there was opportunities for sales, here there was opportunity for buys, here there was opportunity for sales, and here there was opportunity for buys, and this side there was opportunity for sales, buys, and so on, right? But now things are starting to get interesting now, because now the market just broke here, right? We had these highs here that the market was not breaking, and we were looking for the market to continue pushing to the downside, right? But then the market couldn't even break these lows, right? So we didn't get a new lower low. So what we waited for, wait for price to see where it's gonna give us direction or not, right? So price did give us a direction, it breaks the upside, but now we have these highs here, right? So what do we do with these highs? What we can expect now for the market to do is to what? Come back, right? And then at least give us a sign and then push the upside and then break this area here, right? So if we do catch buys here, we're going to be catching buys from here until here. This is going to be our target 1, and then this is going to be our target 2, right? So that's what we're going to be waiting for now on boom, for boom to give us a sign for buys, right? Or if it doesn't do that, what we're gonna do expect for price to do is price is gonna break to the upside, right? Break these highs so that we can be able to see that, okay, cool, now we are bullish, and then we are gonna continue with our bullish market, right? And we're gonna start taking buys. But then if price doesn't break these highs, right, and then what it does is it just come back, sorry, and then what it does is it just comes here and then start playing around, and then drops, right? That can also happen because remember, we are in a bearish market, right? So we are going to be more comfortable taking buys the moment we start breaking here. If we are not breaking here, And then we start seeing that, okay, price is rejecting here. So we're going to start looking for sells, right? And then continue with our bearish market, right? But now what we need to see is we want to see price breaking this area here or coming back down here, giving us signs of buys, and then you can take opportunities of buys to there, right? And then that's why we use stop loss, so that when the market goes against our direction, we don't lose our account, right? So in this scenario, if price breaks around here, then we're no longer looking to take buys, right? So we are going to wait for price to do what? Maybe come back, give us signs, and then we're going to continue selling this market, right? So a lot can happen around this area. a lot a lot can happen around this area. So I want you guys to take these notes and then don't get caught up there and then start losing money, right? If you lose money, have a stop loss, have a reasonable loss, so that when the price gives you another opportunity, you are able to do what? You're able to take another entry, right? Because if we do take a buy here and then we're taken out with our stop loss, we're going to get another opportunity to take a sell here when price does that, right? But then if now you don't put a stop loss, we're going to lose your account. You have to refund when price comes back here to give you another opportunity. Or what can happen is price can just continue pushing down, and then we start getting an opportunity here for a buy, right? So make sure that you use a stop loss, and then so that you can be able to catch these nice moves, right? So now maybe I should do a part 2 of how to day trade crash, and then this is going to be boom, right? Yeah, let me just do that. So I'm going to catch you guys on the next video, and then if you did like this video, comment below and like the video and subscribe. And yeah, if you would like to join our public groups and everything is gonna, all the links are going to be in the description box. This is where that's where you also can be able to get a hold of us, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.